Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Did I count right? Anyway, bunch of boxes that we're going to open. All of this is going to be put on hookedonpickin.com. They are from a new wholesaler that I've been ordering from, and I love their stuff. So you're going to see what all we're putting on hookedonpickin.com. You can go right to hookedonpickin.com right now and buy any of the items that you see, and it's good to go. All right, so I'm just going to start with the box right in front of me. It's kind of bowed in the middle, so I'm hoping that it's in good condition, whatever it is. So sometimes it takes a while for some of my wholesalers to get my stuff to me, so a lot of times this is still a surprise when I get it. Oh, this is a new item we're putting on the store. No wonder it was bowing. This is Harry Potter backpacks. So they're similar to the Baby Yoda backpacks that we had on the store, only it's Harry Potter. It has a little pocket in the back. I think I'm going to take this one out of the bag just to show you. So we have a bunch of these. I know Harry Potter's not, like, they don't have any new movies now, but it's still a pretty popular character in general. So there he is. So you can basically use him like a pillow if you want. This would be a great sleepover kind of one. And then he's got a pocket here, and you can put tons of stuff in there. Wow, that's a pretty deep pocket. So we have tons of Harry Potter backpacks. He's even got his little...
What's the tag look like?
Right here. The Wizarding World, Harry Potter.
Yeah, it's the real deal.
It is a real deal. See? All right. So we've got a whole... This entire box is full of Harry Potters. Nothing else in here. Nope, just Harry Potters. All right, what's in this box here? Oh, these went like hotcakes. As soon as I ordered them, they sold out immediately. So these are my leather crossbody bags. I've got various different colors. So it's got a pocket here, the main pocket here, a pocket here, and a zipper here. And it has a long strap for the crossbody. Let me get this one out so you can kind of see it. This one is the tan one. And it is genuine leather. And it's got one large, deep pocket in here. So it smells like leather. And one big, long, adjustable strap. So genuine leather tag on it. Right there. And so we've got a bunch of these available. I think I have them in red, blue, black, and then this color. Might be sold out of the blue. I can't remember. But anyway, so we've got tan here. We've got black. And red. And I don't think they had the blue in stock, but we'll be restocking that as soon as they have it back in stock. So red leather, black leather, and all of the tan leather crossbody bags you can find on the store, and I believe I have them priced at $19.99 right now. So go ahead and check those out. Let's see what else is in here.
Price at the end of the video?
Yeah, I can tell you what the prices are at the end of the video. So, because we don't have the Harry Potter one price, it's a brand new product. So yeah, stay tuned to the end, and I'll tell you what the prices for everything is at the end. Oh, this is a new game that we bought. It's a pop-up game, you know, with the
like
dice in there.
Trouble?
It's just like Trouble, yeah. This is a perfect, like, on-the-road game. Because you don't lose the dice because it's in the little bubble. And you can move the little pegs around. So this is a Disney Junior Minnie Mouse. So this is actually Disney Junior Minnie Mouse Trouble version style. Ages 4+. So we've got, looks like 6 of those. That's awesome. New game for the store. Like I said, we'll be pricing everything at the end so you can see what it is. What is in this weird, odd-shaped box? Oh, this is new. Oh, it's a nail set. Our nail sets sold like hotcakes when we used to have them on the fire sales, and it's been really hard to find some. And so I was super excited when we found this Disney nail set. You get the green, purple, blue, teal, pink. You get a file and the little separators that you use for your hands or your feet. I think they're usually used for feet, but that's awesome. So it's an, yeah, just all the Disney princesses on it. Really pretty set. Look at all of them. It's so shiny. All right, so we've got a nice nail set there. And what's in this one? What's in this one? It's like Christmas morning when I get new product and I love it. It's my favorite. Oh, we have these on the store already. Can't remember exactly how much we have them priced for, but I will tell you at the end of the video, I think. Yes, so this is a Minnie Junior, Disney Junior. Basically, you can create these characters. Comes with the Daisy Duck and the Minnie Mouse mold, and then it's got all these different shapes, and then it comes with Mold and Play 3D Figure Maker is what it's called. So, and it comes with the dough. It comes with pink, purple, blue, and white, it looks like. So, oh, and a little one of yellow, so you can do Daisy's duck and her feet and stuff. So that's a neat set there. Isn't that cool? So we sold out of these really, really fast, and so I'm glad we have them back in stock on the store. Then we have, let's go with this one. This says Rubbermaid on it. Is it Rubbermaid? Or did they just use a Rubbermaid box? You never know. Oh, this is actually something I ordered on Amazon. Hey guys, look! I ordered some new Rubbermaid containers. Don't you wish you were as cool as me? Sorry, I thought it was one of my product ones. I really was wondering where this package went. And it ended up at my office. So, I love these containers. They're fabulous. But they're not for sale. I'm using them. All right. I was wondering where that box went because I was like, I thought it said it got delivered. Me and my lovely organizational skills. What the deal is all of my packages, whether personal or business, are always delivered to this building. And so that actually happens pretty frequently. Oh, looky, looky, looky. We got some Minnie Mouse backpacks. Okay, hold on. How do I get into this bag? So this is a Minnie Mouse backpack. Or bag. No, it's a purse. Look at that. How fabulous is that? So you got Minnie Mouse, a little bow on it. And it's got this whole big pouch right here to hold. So, ooh, it's got it's got a separator in the middle. So you can put some here and some here. So it's got a little flap in the middle to separate the two different sides.
It's a lot cheaper here than
oh yeah,
park.
Listen, you can buy it much cheaper here than at Walt Disney World. Yes. So we have a bunch of Minnie Mouse cute backpacks, and then last but not least, what is in my massively huge box? It's not very heavy. Well, that's a weird way to open the box. Didn't expect that. It's like they took a box that was too big and folded it all over weird. Oh, I'm so excited we have these. These sold out like probably in the first week that I had them. These are Baby Yoda backpacks. Aren't they so cute? Don't you just want to snuggle him? Bye me. All right, so he's got a little zipper on the back and adjustable straps, and it does fit an adult. But when I showed these to Faith, she squealed because she thought they were so cute. So we have these back in stock now, so you can buy the Star Wars, and it does have an authentic Star Wars tag on it. So these are all brand new products. So Star Wars Baby Yoda backpacks. So you'll find those on the store too. So I'm actually going to go through. We'll lay every item that we just unboxed out on the table, except for the Rubbermaid, and we'll give you the prices. All right, we've got all the items priced so you can see. So we have our Baby Yoda backpacks back in stock. $14.99 is what they're going to cost. They're really, really cute and adorable. And then we've got the Harry Potter plush backpack pillow for $14.99 as well. And then we have the Minnie and Daisy Duck Play-Doh Mold and Play Figure Maker, $7.99 for that. Then our nail set, $7.99 for our Princess nail set. And then we're going to go $9.99 on the Minnie Mouse Trouble game. Then, of course, our cute, awesome crossbody bag leather purses we have for $19.99. And then last but not least, we have our Minnie Mouse plush over-the-shoulder like purse, $9.99 for that. So hopefully you find some fun things on the store that you really, really enjoy, and go ahead and go to hookedonpickin.com and buy all of these things. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If reselling is something you're interested in, whether it's brand new products like this or liquidation, like you've seen me unbox on my YouTube channel, go ahead and contact me. I do consultation phone calls. All you have to do is go to hookedonpickin.com, purchase whatever amount of time you would like to chat for, and then I will impart all of the wisdom that I have learned in my many years of reselling.